Hi, I'm PAK, and I love to meet new people and explore new places, learning about how to improve the earth along the way. Today, I'm having a think about plants. They come in all sorts of shapes and sizes, and I just thought I'd give you a taster of some amazing ones that I've seen in my travels. In Indonesia, I saw the world's largest single flower. It was a whole meter wide, and it has the brightly coloured texture of octopus tentacles. It smells disgusting to attract insects which help its pollination. When I went to New Zealand, I saw the kauri tree. It's one of the widest in the world, and kauri forests are some of the most ancient. The largest kauri is 51 metres high and 13.8 metres all the way round it. Its name in Maori, the language of native New Zealanders, means Lord of the Forest, and it's probably about 2,500 years old. Can you imagine what it's seen in that time? In Malaysia, or the Malaysian part of Borneo, I saw one of the largest pitcher plants. These are carnivorous plants. They eat animals, but you can't really be fooled by its exotic beauty. This particular pitcher plant is absolutely massive, and it uses rolled leaves to trick prey into falling into its liquid-filled trap. It eats mostly insects, but it's also known to eat rats and frogs and lizards. Can you imagine? When I went to India and Sri Lanka, I saw the talipot palm. It's one of the largest palm trees in the world and can reach up to heights of 25 metres. It has the largest cluster of flowers on a single stem, which can reach 8 metres long. It's used to make all sorts of things: palm leaf manuscripts, umbrellas, wine, thatched roofs. But it only flowers once in its lifetime, and it dies shortly after. In the Seychelles Islands, in the Indian Ocean, is the Coco de Mer palm tree. It's famous for bearing the double coconut, the world's largest seed. When I was diving in the Mediterranean, I saw some Neptune grass. This is a kind of seagrass that grows in huge underwater meadows. In 2006, a massive 8-kilometre long colony of the grass was found in waters off the south coast of Ibiza. It's thought to be over 100,000 years old and one of the largest clonal colonies on Earth. That means they're all the same. In America, I saw the giant Sequoia tree, also known as the Sierra Redwood. These massively tall trees occur only on the west coast of the United States. They grow as high as 85 metres and as wide as 8 metres in diameter. They're really popular with the tourists. One of the most famous of redwoods is called the General Sherman tree, and you can find it in California's Sequoia National Park. It's believed to be over 2,000 years old. Now, when we think of Mexico, we think of cactuses. Anyway, you should know that the cardon cactus is the king of them all. It can live to well over 300 years and grow up to 19 spiky metres tall. When travelling across the savannas of Africa, I came across the Beobab tree. This funny-looking tree has inspired many nicknames, from bottle tree to upside-down tree to the tree of life. Some trees have even been turned into barns or bars so people can live in them. And known to be as many as 2,000 years old, Beobab trees are thought to have mythical protective powers. Did you know that the pumpkin is thought of as the world's largest vegetable? Do you know how big the biggest one in the world was? It was over 820 kilograms. Huge! So, with a whistle-stop tour of these impressive plants, you have got a tiny glimpse into the amazing power of the plant. Massive plants, smelly plants, hungry plants, upside-down plants, spiky plants, underwater plants, all sorts. And there are so many more to get to know. So, until next time, I will see you then. Bye!